Hey guys, this is a video of the ceiling fan. I don't know the name of it, but okay. Anyway, here we go. First, we start off with the light. There's the light on. Let's start it off on low. Okay, here's low. What's the light? Now, turn it off. And now, well, that's all I'm going to do to it because I don't want to mess it up too bad because the pulsing for the fan, it gets caught sometimes. But the light one right here, the light one right here, it doesn't get caught in there, but the fan one right here gets caught. So, can't really do too much of a video of it. The light was already on, so leave that on. Oh yeah, there's another one out here. There's another one out here right there. Okay.